Yeah, g'day. You're looking at a HNT Gordon Jack Plane. This plane is primarily designed to take a rough sawn board like we've got here and make it reasonably flat so that you can finish it with a smoothing plane for your final finishing. Because it's only used for roughing work, it doesn't have the fine brass mouth. However, that being said, you can still use this plane for as a long smoother. Now with this plane you have a choice of two types of blades. This is a carbon steel blade, and for planing this cedar, which is a furniture grade timber, that's really all you need. However, if you're going to plane Australian hardwoods, or any hardwood for that matter, this is a high speed steel blade, and it will certainly, when you're using it as a scraper by reversing the blade to there, the high-speed steel will hold its edge better. Now, to set this up as a plane, put it in bevel down. It's sitting on a little flat block of wood, which helps me set the plane up. Now, your job is to hold the plane body and tap the wedge in the middle, and that will make that blade hold nicely. You can sight down the sole. Whenever you're making an adjustment, put your thumb on the wedge, sight down the sole onto a light background. I can see that blade is nice and even, and it's probably around the right depth, so we would give that a try. There you go, it's nice shaving. If I want to go deeper, I would tap there. If I want to go finer, I would tap there. Just play around with that and you'll find you can adjust this plane to very fine tolerances. To take the blade out, it's simply a matter of holding it like that so the blade is level with the bench, so it can't come through and cut your hand. Tap there, that releases the blade, take it out. And if you need to sharpen it, you can. It comes with instructions. If you're going to use it as a jack plane, this diagram here shows you how to sharpen it. If you're using it as a smoothing plane, I would just keep the blade, sharpen it with a flat, straight edge, and just relieve the corners very slightly. So there's information there. Also on our website, you can find other information about all different planes.